Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something incredibly exciting to share with you, the LT21 4G Smartwatch Kids GPS Wi-Fi Video Call SOS IP67 Waterproof Child Smartwatch Camera Monitor Tracker Location Phone Watch. This watch is an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping your kids safe and connected, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First and foremost, let's talk about the features. This smartwatch utilizes 4G network technology, allowing for GPS, Wi-Fi, and LBS positioning that is incredibly accurate. With a 2GB RAM and 4GB ROM, along with a powerful lithium battery, this watch is designed for seamless performance. And with the ability to make video calls, access the internet, and even monitor your child remotely, this smartwatch truly does it all. But that's not all. This watch is also IP67 waterproof, meaning it can withstand the everyday wear and tear that comes with being a kid. The 1.4-inch HD color touchscreen and food-grade silicone strap make this watch comfortable and durable, perfect for active kids on the go. And the best part? This watch supports multiple languages and is a global version, meaning you can use it in any country with the right 4G network SIM card. It truly is an all-in-one solution for keeping your child safe and connected, no matter where they are. So if you're a parent who's been searching for a way to give your child more independence while still ensuring their safety, the LT21 4G Smartwatch Kids GPS Wi-Fi Video Call SOS IP67 Waterproof Child Smartwatch Camera Monitor Tracker Location Phone Watch is the answer. I'll leave a link in the description below for where you can get your hands on one of these game-changing smartwatches. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and recommendations just like this one. See you next time.